What are Modbus holding registers and how do they work? Imagine a factory floor filled with machines, sensors, and controllers all talking to each other smoothly. How do they share data so seamlessly? That's where Modbus comes into play. Today, we're going to uncover the secrets behind one of its key components, the holding registers. Modbus holding registers are a special type of data storage used in industrial automation systems. They are 16-bit memory locations inside devices like programmable logic controllers, sensors, or actuators. These registers store numerical or analog data that can be read or written by other devices in the network. Think of them as digital boxes where important process information is kept. In the Modbus protocol, data is organized into four main types of registers. These are coils, discrete inputs, input registers, and holding registers. Unlike coils and discrete inputs that store single bits of information, holding registers store 16-bit values. This means they can hold more complex data, such as temperature readings, pressure levels, or control set points. The addresses for these registers usually start from 40,001 in documentation, but the actual address depends on how the device is set up. The way holding registers work is through a master-slave communication model. The master device, like a central controller, sends a request to a slave device, asking to read or write data. For example, it might ask to read the temperature stored in a specific holding register. The slave device then responds with the data stored in that register. If the master wants to change a value, it sends a write command to update the register. Common function codes for these actions include code 3.4 reading, code 6.4 writing a single register, and code 16.4 writing multiple registers. Holding registers are essential for real-time data exchange in smart factories and industry for 0.0 setups. For instance, a programmable logic controller can read sensor data from holding registers to adjust machine operations automatically. It can also send new control signals by writing data into the registers of other devices. In more advanced systems, holding registers can store floating-point numbers by combining to 16-bit registers. This allows for more precise measurements, which is important in critical processes. Their flexibility makes them a reliable way to connect different types of industrial equipment into a single communication network. Overall, Modbus holding registers serve as a straightforward, dependable method for storing and sharing vital process data. They help keep industrial systems running smoothly, enabling automation and smarter manufacturing processes.